Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to get free Discord Nitro. To get it, first of all, open any browser you have in your device. Once you open that, on the searching bar, search for free Discord Nitro. And then there you will see a lot of websites. Among them, choose the 1 month free Discord Nitro one. Now scroll down a little bit, there you will see an option of just click here, click on that, and then you have been gifted Nitro. Click on the I accept and you will get 1 month free Discord Nitro. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.